Welcome back everyone. So in the last video of innovation management, we have studied about what is innovation and types of innovation. So in this video, we will study about innovators. So, who are the innovators? Probably because of the way in which the history of innovation is reported in the media, newspapers, books, and elsewhere, misconceptions have emerged about innovation and the innovation process. So, here we will study the real innovators in the series. First one is individual and groups. So, leaving aside for now the fact that the common stereotype conflicts innovation, it is, however, not typical of reality. Individual can and do play a vital role in how innovation arise and develop. Of course, but in the many cases, innovations happen through dogged hard work, chance, or even imitation. So much of this activity will have taken place within and between groups or term of pupil. The second one is beyond product innovation. So there is also a tendency to think of innovation only in terms of new product, particularly as we are regularly bombarded with advertising for such stuff as we note later. So, yet arguably the greatest simple and single innovation of the 20th century, the one which most changed society, the patterns of living and our economics, was not a new product but a process, a way of producing a product. So Henry Ford's production line for manufacturing cars made them affordable for the first time to people on moderate incomes. So it also had a profound impact on the way in which work within Ford's factories was structured and carried out. The benefit and the cost arising from Ford's innovation obviously had a profound impact on the world for consumers, manufacturers, and more widely. The third one is beware of the hype. Clearly, some example of innovation, single important actual or potentially wide-ranging intended impacts and consequences. We need to treat some of the claims for the transformative power of certain example of innovation with care. Online shopping may be relatively new and convenient, and Facebook may have ushered in an age when people could have an almost infinite number of friends regardless of their location or whether they have actual meet. So however, shopping without physically entering and virtual friendship both existed long before the advent of the internet. So both were made possible by innovations that were groundbreaking in their day. Now what is technology? So we define technology for the purpose of this video. Put briefly, we see technologies not simply as technological artifacts such as an iPhone or laptop, but also as knowledge. If you have not thought of technology in this way before, it may seem odd, but you will actually find very few definitions of technology that only refer to technology as artifacts. An accurate definition will also include a reference to a body of knowledge and practice. So we could say that technology as artifact and knowledge represent two of the components of the bundles of assets, such as specific form of intellectual property organizational capability, technologies, and even commercial brand that together provide potentially innovative products and services. Now, what is innovation management? This raises the question, is it possible to define innovation management? So, innovation management can be defined as the creation of preconditions to promote human creativity, including strategic commitment and context management. On the other hand, innovation management can be seen as a process to foster the application of knowledge. So, innovation management involves many different components and require the management of a variety of areas, including the strategy of innovation, portfolio management, project management, leadership and organizational culture, human resources, external relations, organizational design, innovation process, performance measures, marketing, resources, knowledge and intellectual property management, and technology. So from this video we can understand the new topic in construction management, that is innovation management, and we can apply the different type of our ideas to the real construction projects. So thanks for watching this video.